What's up, guys? Happy holidays. This packaging is very festive. So, this wig is from Asteria Hair. Now, y'all know me and Asteria go way back. It comes with all the good stuff. The band, the baby hair toothbrush, the thin caps, the hair care booklet. This is a 26-inch medium 50% density HD wig. Look at that, even in the packaging. So this particular wig comes with already bleached knots, okay? And I've got all my new wigs have been already bleached knots, so I'm here for all of it. Now, check it though. Because see, I don't even have to worry about anything at this point. This is literally take it out the box and put it on. All that bleaching, all that plucking, over. We're done. They did all the work for you. And I've been asking this for years. And look at the beginning of 2024 is about to be a good one. So it comes with an adjustable band in the back with my favorite, the silicone on it, which I love. I wish they put the names in their wigs because I have so many wigs. Sometimes I'm like, who wig is it? I have to really look at it to figure out whose is what, especially when it's curly or straight. It's like, it's all pretty much the same at this point. So this is the texture of the hair, and you guys know how it is with curly hair. The more you pull it apart, the bigger it'll get. Now, one thing I didn't do was I didn't wet this wig, at least not on camera, because I love, and you're going to see in a minute, the texture of this hair. And not to say, but I pulled it through to make sure, because, you know, usually curly hair sheds a whole lot. This wasn't giving me no shedding problems, and I was shocked, because I was waiting for, you know, a snag. Now, I did eventually wash this wig off camera because I had to wash it to get all of that damn Got2b spray out, and it was great. It didn't give me no issues, but here I wanted to show that what you get in the box is what you can put on. You don't have to do all of the extras when you get it, because usually with curly hair specifically, if you're wearing it in its natural state, it's great, but once you wet it, sometimes it's not so great. They parted it and everything. You don't have to wear it in the side part, but you can. Now, I'm going to show y'all what not to do. Usually, I cut the sides of my sideburns off and the darts at the point, like on my temples. And I've been growing my hair back, so I tried to do something a little different. So I'm about to go and get an undercut and a taper probably in the next couple of days because I'm so over it. So, yeah, but right there is the problematic area that's on both sides that's going to get on my nerves. But because this wig is so good in HD, if this was standard lace, this would have looked a mess. So look how big this is. I mean, and this hair is full. Like, I put a little bit of oil sheen in it just, you know, to make it a little shinier. But this is how it is straight out the box. So now, look. You see how it's like that little halo on the side? You see how my cap is darting out? Well, the easiest way you can fix that is put a little bit of makeup on it and just cut the cap some more. That's it. And that's what I did. It would have saved me a lot of irritation had I just did it like that from the jump. But again, I'm trying to save my hair. But as you can see, this is bomb straight out the box. No plucking, no bleaching, nothing. And if you got a big forehead, like a lot of y'all do, I love y'all too, then y'all don't have to worry about that. But look at that. Straight out the box. Like, I'm about to go get me like 3 of these just to have them stashed to the side. Because sometimes I just do want curly hair and I don't feel like doing all of the extras. And you know, curly hair, you really got to pluck the front because sometimes it just looks really thick because the hair is so full. But yes, I put a little bit of makeup and that was really it. So yeah, there's really nothing else to say because look at the bounce though. Everything, yeah, okay, bounce with it now. Okay. They did everything. Girl, put her on. If you got a big forehead, this is the wig for you. If you're looking for curly hair, then boom, boom. I feel like Chili from TLC. I mean, Chili hair ain't never been this full. It's been big, but it ain't been this full. I think I kind of got her beat with this one. Look at that. That face is my mama and daddy did that. So, yes, if you guys are interested, hit up Asteria Hair, okay? This wig is affordable. All the specs will be below, and I'm going to hit you up later.
There's no more smiling, talking to you's like climbing a mountain. We need purging. Where is the fountain? distance. I feel the silence. Baby, I'm trying to find the problems. But if you don't talk, then I can't solve them. All of